Good Lord, YouTube, what is up? So I've been getting comments from folks on my Discord channel and on Facebook about, the quality of my videos, which is something that I'm seeking out. Like, these aren't like mean people who are just coming to tell me my videos suck. Because I know. But, I want feedback about videography, cinematography, lighting, all of that. Because, honestly, I know computers. I don't know any of this stuff. But I went to a live, in-person auction with an auctioneer and whatnot here locally that had a bunch of videography and cinematography related items. Brand new items from some gentleman's estate who had passed away. And, capitalism feeds on the dead, I guess. I picked up some scores, some very, very cheap buys on equipment that I hope will help me at least have some sort of production value, even if the content value is usually pretty minimal on my channel. So what did I get? Well, I think I got three lighting fixtures, right? And if you told me when I started this YouTube channel that I was going to have an unboxing video, I'd have told you to go fornicate with yourself. But that is actually what's going to happen. These are brand new in boxes Dracast panels DRSP 500B. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for these. Let's just say that I paid a significant percentage less than what they retail for new, and also what I have seen them go for on sites like eBay and whatnot. I didn't really do a whole lot of research on these before I bought them, which is, I guess, good and bad, because while they look like very, very high quality items, got this carry bag in here, so I guess that means it's pretty portable. They do look like very high quality items. Dracast seems like a very highly thought of, or at least expensive, equipment manufacturer. What it really means is I have little to no idea on how to use these, which could be a problem in the future, considering that I want to use them. So this is what I got. Put this box away. It's got a nice foam cut out there, pretty nice. So I have two of these. These should be identical silver panels from this company named Dracast. They have like a barn door type opening here. Ooh, man, sounds bad. And then open that up there, and you get to see a piece of white paper. No, that's not what you're supposed to see. You're supposed to see some LED lights, but I am a large orangutan and don't know how to get those out of there. There should be a big panel of LEDs behind this. Let's look and see what's in the carry bag, since I obviously had no idea what to expect when I opened that up. So the carry bag is for that panel, obviously. It's padded. Feels like there's something in this front pocket here. Oh yeah, we got a power source. Well, that's good, because I'm going to need that for these things to eventually turn on. So it looks like I have to get this white panel out of here somehow, and that is a problem. I can see the oh, almost got it. Hopefully I don't bugger this up here. Wedge that in there, slide that this way, turn that down. Yay! Alright, so instruction on protective films. Ooh, it's got some Korean up there at the top. Remove protective films of the sheets. And then, you know, half of this is cut off, so the instructions on protective film is not particularly useful, considering there's supposed to be a lot more words going this way, and there aren't any there. But this is what y'all came to see, or what I came to show you. So this is the LED panel. Got the barn doors and the adjustable angle thing here, and to put it on a stand there. And let's see, does this just plug in? It looks like it's got a barrel fitment right there for DC 12 15 volt, and that just should. Does that plug in there? I'm hoping that plugs in there. Looks like there's also a. It does not look right. Could be right. There's also an attachment for. Oh yeah, that goes in there. There's also an area for a battery. If you have these mobile, which the carry case implies that you can do that. I did not get any batteries for this. So these will just be static here in the basement, in the underbelly of the YouTube algorithm. So I got two of these. They're identical. I'm not going to unbox the other one because I'm not a big fan of unboxing videos. But this should help the tone of the color tone of my videos. I've been told it's a little bit yellowy, and there's a reason for that. You know, I am in my basement. This is also my workspace. And generally speaking, when I am working, I really do not enjoy white, cold light. So the lights I have up here are lights that I bought specifically because they're 3K color warmth heat LED. They're like flower panel type inserts. They give a lot of light, but it's yellowish, sunny light. I like sun, not to feel like I'm in some sci-fi movie. So yeah, this will be the front panels coming this way, and then I got this bad boy here. Also, there was no box, but the package, it's all in the plastic still. This is a small LED panel that I have a couple of thoughts on how I'm going to use this, and it is it is also allows for plug-in power, but it also has batteries, which it did come with in this case. Got two batteries and a charger here, so that's nice. That's portable. If I want to go film somewhere, like maybe I'll go to CEX or some con or something and do some videos about tech there. That would be cool. So, and then it's got a little mount here, and I have a little tripod that I can stick this on and wiggle it around and point it at places. It's probably going to be pointing straight at my face, which I have not figured out whether I'm going to enjoy or not. So this has a, you can change the heat of the color, but maybe making it warmer down to 32K, which is about what these lights are. So that would be very sunny yellow color, and then all the way up to the cold blue of 5600K on these. So that's pretty neat. I like that. These do that also. You can adjust the daylight and the tungsten controls there to give you warm and cold lighting. So I'm going to get it nice and frosty in here on the lighting piece, right? So that's my lighting upgrade. Well, part of my lighting upgrade, those are the 3 new light sources that I have for the channel. Hope you're looking forward to see me, Cro-Magnon my way through lighting upgrades, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to be looking up YouTube videos on how to do lighting upgrades for YouTube videos. So that's going to be fun. So I got 3 light sources. These are the matching Dracast stands that go with these. They have the right, finial or whatever attachment point for this piece right here to slot down in there and secure. So that's good that these match. Again, they didn't come with a box, but these are new, unwrapped inside the carry case here. So this is all portable. I could pick up and go. If I got batteries for these, if I went out and bought some batteries for these, I haven't looked to see how much the batteries for these retail for. I have a feeling I'm not going to like the answer. On the audio side, I'm using just a Lumix Handycam type, point and shoot to film this in 4K, 30 frames a second is what I shoot in natively. But my software right now only supports me uploading or editing at 1080p. So eventually, I feel like the video quality is fine. As if I could bring the lighting quality up, the video quality would get better. Audio quality, not fine. I don't like the audio that comes off of this camera. You don't get the full effect of my warm, dulcet tones. My voice, I'm from the South, my voice is supposed to sound like, butter melting on a warm biscuit, and I don't feel like you get that with this microphone. So I got a mic stand or with a pop filter. What is this called? A shock mount with removable pop filter. And that's a SMR Rode microphone brand one. And then I have an arm that attaches to, a studio arm, PSA 1 studio arm. That's pretty cool. I'll take this down, get these off of here. I'm not going to unbox this. It's got pictures, pretty easy to understand. This just clamps on, attaches, microphone should go in this right here. I have a Samson, really nice Samson USB microphone that I haven't been using because it's been giving me a little bit of trouble paired with my laptop for recording. So I'm going to have to figure out what's up with that. But I think it will have a lovely home in this mount on this arm. And that will increase. So I got lighting for video quality. I got this stuff to put the Samson mic on, figure out the bugs with that. That'll increase the audio quality of the videos. And then editing. I got to build an editing rig. Right now I'm editing on a fairly old and dirty, fairly old Surface Book. I think this is from like 2014, I want to say, so it's like 6 years old. Still chugging along, but rendering on this thing takes a hot minute to render on this. Anyway, moving on. And then my last show and tell of the day on auction finds is this beast. Good Lord, this thing's huge. Beast of a monitor. So I'm not going to unbox it because I don't feel like I don't think I have the frame out wide enough to encapsulate how huge this monitor is. This is a Samsung business class curved monitor. I think it's like 31 inches. It's gigantic. And this is going to be connected to it's a 1440p monitor, but it's the amount of pixels on this is basically UHD, but because of the way the pixels are spread across the ultra wide, you actually wind up with like it's more like a QHD native resolution. It's like 1440p when you're looking at it, but there's more pixels this way than there are this way, as opposed to shrinking the footprint down widthwise to get 4K. This actually looks like 1440p when you look at it. But I should be able to render 4K on this, no issues, once I get my editing station. Be on the lookout for the build video series for that. I'm not going to give any hints about what that's going to be comprised of, but it should be a pretty powerful beast. And that should basically complete. I should be able to actually produce YouTube videos that aren't trash. They'll still be trash content-wise, but and they'll still be in my basement, and I will still probably be stuck in the underbelly of the YouTube algorithm. But thankfully, because of the auction, I didn't spend an arm and a leg to get here. Right? This would have been thousands of dollars worth of equipment. I did not spend thousands of dollars to get this equipment, so that's good. Anyway, just wanted to show and tell, give a little quick channel update. Please like and subscribe, watch my videos, share my page, share my channel if you would be so kind. Join my Discord. I'll put a link to that in the description here. Shout out to all my friends on my Discord channel. You guys are awesome. I got some real hardware enthusiasts on there, as am I. So I'm Mike. Follow me on Twitter at Alchemy Solid. Find me on Facebook at Solid State Alchemy, and hopefully I'll have a link to the Discord in the description. It's Solid State Alchemy on Discord as well. And you know, I'm very active on there. I love talking to folks. I love interacting with the viewers of my channel. All 7 of you. You know, you guys are awesome. All right, I'm Mike, and I'm out.